Hotel check-in English conversation. Good afternoon. Welcome to Green Garden Hotel. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Anna Johnson.
Thank you, Ms. Johnson. Let me check. Yes, I see your booking. You reserved a double room for 4 nights, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. May I see your ID and credit card, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Here is your room key. Your room number is 508, on the 5th floor. The elevator is to your left.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the 1st floor.
Great. And what time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 p.m. noon.
Can I request a late checkout?
Yes, until 2 p.m. is free. After that, there is a small charge.
That's very helpful. Thank you.
Asking about facilities.
By the way, do you have a swimming pool?
Yes, we have an outdoor pool on the 2nd floor. It's open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Nice. Do you also have a gym?
Yes, our gym is open 24 hours. It's free for all guests.
Wonderful. And do you have parking for cars?
Yes, we have free parking behind the hotel. Just show your room key at the gate.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Asking for recommendations.
One more thing. Is there a good restaurant nearby?
Yes, there's an Italian restaurant just across the street. It's very popular.
Sounds good. How can I get a taxi from here?
You can ask us anytime. We can call a taxi for you.
Great. And do you have any sightseeing recommendations?
Yes, the City Museum and Central Park are very close. I can give you a map.
That's perfect. Thank you for your help.
Small problems in the room. Hello, reception desk. How can I help you?
Hello. This is Anna Johnson in room 508. The air conditioner is not working.
I'm very sorry. We will send someone from maintenance right away.
Thank you. Also, could I get 2 extra towels?
Of course. Housekeeping will bring them soon. A few minutes later, housekeeping arrives. Hello. Here are your towels.
Thank you. Could you also change the bed sheets, please?
Sure, I'll do it now.
Thanks, I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. Ordering room service. Hello, room service. How can I help you?
Hi. I'd like to order some food, please.
Sure. What would you like to order?
I'll have a cheeseburger, French fries, and a Coke.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all. How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your order will arrive soon. Hello. Here is your order.
Thank you very much. How much is it?
It's $15. Would you like to pay now or add it to your room bill?
Please add it to my room bill.
Sure. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks.
Checking out.
Good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
Good morning. May I have your room number?
Room 508.
Thank you. Let me check. Yes, you stayed 4 nights. Here is your bill. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
By card, please.
Please insert your card.
Done.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, it was wonderful. Thank you for your great service.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip home.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Goodbye.